Continue to watch this video if you want to see and how I made this delicious baked chicken wings. I'm telling you guys, this recipe right here is a must try. Please guys, share this video, like, subscribe, tell a friend about my channel, a family, and turn on your notification button so you can receive more delicious videos like these. Okay, so guys, let's get into the video. Not gone away, stay tuned. Hi guys, it's Jody again. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some baked chicken wings. Yes, so in my bowl right here I've got at least 1 pack of chicken wings that are already washed and clean with lime. Okay, so guys, the first thing I'm gonna add to my chicken wings, I'm gonna add some butter. Okay, some melted butter, and I'm adding at least 1/4 cup. Okay, that's the first thing I'm gonna add. Then I'm gonna add my seasoning. First guys, I'm gonna add some Creole seasoning, and I'm gonna add at least 1/2 tablespoon. Okay, and I'm gonna also add some adobo seasoning, and I'm gonna add 1/2 tablespoon also. Some Cajun seasoning, and 1/2 tablespoon of my Cajun seasoning. So that's my Cajun seasoning. Some poultry seasoning, 1/2 tablespoon. Guys, I'm gonna leave all the name of the season that I'm using below. Okay, some black pepper, and that's 1/2 tablespoon. Garlic powder, and at least 1 spoon of garlic powder. Some parsley, this is totally optional, and just a pinch of salt, not a lot. Some olive oil, at least 2 tablespoons. Then now I'm just gonna take my nice clean hand, and you just want to massage all those seasoning all over on your chicken wings. I'm telling you guys, this chicken wings right here is gonna be so flavorful. With all those seasoning that I use, it's gonna be super delicious. And you can always leave it to marinate, guys, for at least 30 minutes or so. I'm gonna add at least 1 tablespoon of my dark soya sauce, just for a bit of color. Yeah, that's it, not a lot. You don't want to add too much. And that's done, guys. Look at that. Do you see those chicken wings? Nicely seasoning. You know this is gonna be super delicious. Look at that. That's perfect. So here I have my baking tray, guys, and to my baking tray I add some olive oil, and I'm just gonna brush it all over in my tray. So now I'm adding my chicken wings, and you want to make sure, guys, that they all space out. Okay, and I'm gonna put it in my oven, guys, for at least 40 minutes and 150 degrees Celsius. Okay, Then guys, I'm gonna add some more of my adobo seasoning. I'm just gonna pretty much sprinkle it on top of my chicken wings, like so. Yeah. Then I'm gonna add some more of my parsley. I'm just gonna sprinkle some more of my parsley on top, which is totally optional, but this parsley, guys, is just gonna make your chicken wings have such a nice color, and I love to see that color on my chicken wings. Then I'm just gonna take some more of my olive oil, and I'm just gonna sprinkle it all over on my chicken wings, like so. And the reason why I'm using olive oil, guys, because obviously it is more healthier than vegetable oil. Yes, so that's why. But if you don't have the olive oil, you can always use vegetable oil. So that's it, guys. This is pretty much finished. So in the oven it goes, and 150 Celsius. So stay tuned. Look at that. It looks so good already. So I just removed my chicken wings from the oven, and it's been in the oven just over 45 minutes, guys. And this is what it's look like. It's looking so nice and so juicy. What I'm gonna do you see all this liquid that's in here? You're gonna take it, guys, and just pour it on your chicken wings like so. Look at that. So it keep nice and moist, okay? Then I'm gonna put it back in my oven for at least 20 minutes, and it is ready, good to go. Super delicious. Look at that. Make sure you pour all that liquid all over on your wings, okay? So guys, finally my chicken wings is all finished, and it looks so good. Look at the color, nice and brown, and that's exactly how I want it. Perfect. Please guys, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video, guys. Share it to a friend, to your families, to everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. And guys, if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, where are we at, pan? Subscribe now so you can receive more delicious videos like these, and hit your notification button for whenever I upload a video. You will be the first to see it. Now I'm just gonna plate it up and show you guys how it looks on the plate, so stay tuned, not gone away. So now guys, I'm just plating it up, as you can see. And what I have on this side here, guys, I have some cornbread cupcake that I made. I have a video on my YouTube channel on how I made my cornbread, so you guys can go and check it out, okay? Yes. Guys, please don't forget to share this video, because this recipe, I know your family, your friend will enjoy it. So don't forget to share. So now I'm just pouring all that delicious buttery sauce all over on my chicken wings. Oh my goodness, this is like food prawn. This recipe, guys, came out so perfect. My husband, my family, my children, we all enjoyed. I even made this recipe the second time because it was so good. I invite my friend over and she was like, Jody, this is so good. She wanted more. So I know you guys is gonna enjoy it. If you do try this recipe, comment below and tell me what it's like. You can also serve it with some rice, you know, salad, whatever you preferred. Guys, I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye, guys. Much love.